Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Travel in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Click on this plus button. New tab is open. In new tab, here we find Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. In Google Apps, scroll down and find Travel. Click on Travel. And Google Travel is open. In Google Travel, here we find three dot. Click on this three dot. Scroll down and find Save and Share. In a Save and Share, we find Install Trips or Travel. Click on Install Trips all in one place. Click at here. Click on the Install. New pop-up window is appear. Close it. Close, no thanks. Close Google Chrome. In desktop, we find our Google Trips shortcut or Google Travel shortcut. Also in Start, we find Trips or Google Travel shortcut. Click on anywhere, double click on anywhere. I double click on the desktop shortcut, and Google Travel is open as an app or install as an app on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.